Hello and welcome to this tutorial. So today we are going to see how we can design a TV3 logo. So this is the logo that we are going to design today, this logo. Alright, let me just get rid of this so that we begin afresh. Alright, so let's just delete this text. Okay, the first thing we are going to do, we are going to use only shape, or let's just import the image, what we are going to design. Let me import it so that we can see what we are designing. Alright, so this is what we are going to design today. Okay, let me just keep it like this so that we can see it. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do is just go to our shape, which is here. Then we go to shapes. Then we now click on this dot type icon for us to select the shape we want to, and we are going to use semicircle for today. So let me just resize it like this. I think it's looking like this. Then just click here on this check mark here. Alright, so let me edit the color. So you click on color. Click on the enable button. Let us give it a black color. Then come and copy this shape by clicking on copy. This one you copy, just put it on a white color. Just this is easiest way is just to off this button here. Then reduce this size using this place. Reduce the size and place it like this. Let us place it like this. Keep it like this. Then it's now for you to merge. All you have to just do is click here. Then you click this place. That's for you to merge. Then you take these two. Then you now click here. Click OK. Alright, so this is now an image, one image. There are no more two. There are now one. Alright, so let us go to erase color. Here it is, erase color. So if we on this and this button here, then this white one will remove. It will automatically remove this white one. Alright, you can see the white one have been removed, so we cannot see white again. Okay, then we have to copy this shape. Just click on copy, then copy the shape. Then you use this place to rotate the shape. Rotate it like this. And keep it this way. Yeah, it's okay like this. You can go and lock them by clicking here. Then click on this key to lock them. Alright, the next thing to do is just to import another shape by clicking on shapes. Then we select circle this time around. Then we size it. Let us use position to place it in a better position. It's okay like this. Then this one you have to put it the color. You have to change the color to yellow. Yeah, this one is okay. Then come to this place and unlock the other shapes to change their color. You can lock this one now, then unlock these two so that we can change the color. The first one will be on red color, so let us go to color. So this one is already in red color, then this one will be green color. Click on color again. Yeah, here is green. Let us select green color. Alright, so now we are going to merge these three shapes now by clicking here. Now all you have to do is just click here. Then click on these three shapes. Then we click here. Click OK. Alright, they are now one shape like this. You can reduce and you can increase them. Alright, so let's just keep it like this. Alright, now they are now shaped. Let us add a little stroke to it. Let us add stroke, white stroke. Okay, this one is okay. Then let us go to shadow. Let us apply a little shadow to it. Click on enable button and reduce the blur radius. Just reduce the blur radius to it to 4. It's okay. Okay, now let us go to 3D shape. Click on enable button. Then you have to go down. Then off this button that is here. This button, off it. Then come to darken. Reduce the darken here. Reduce it to 0. Then come to depth. You have to decrease it. I think it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Then let us go to our stroke again and reduce the stroke. Maybe 22. Yeah, our stroke is okay. Then let us go to that 3D shape again. Then increase the depth to 2 or 3. Alright, I think it's okay like this. Then let us change the background to white. The background color, all you have to just do is click here to get to background. Then click on color. Then let us search. You also, it's not gradient that we're going to use. It will be a plain color. So you click on this one to choose a plain color. Let us search for white. Alright. So this is now white color. It's okay like this. It's okay. So let us see our design, our main design, so that we can know what needs to do. Alright. So let's just add that small star inside this yellow circle. So all you have to do is just go to, let us check our sticker if we have star in our sticker. I think that is one. Yeah, this one here. Well, let's just leave this one. Let us go to test and then add start from our test. Then click on edit. It's okay. It's okay like this. Just click on that. Okay. Let me see our design first. No, this is not the star. It's not this one. So like this. Let us delete this one. Just to get the star inside this yellow circle, let us go to shape. Let us go to shape. Shapes. Then let us choose our shape, which will be a star. We choose star. Then you reduce it. Something like this. I think it's okay. Let's just reduce it a little bit again. Alright, so it's okay like this. Let's position so it will be okay. Okay, alright. So the next thing now is just to add those tests, and we are done. So the first thing is TV3. Okay, logo. TV3 logo. Place it like this. Let me see this one. Alright, all is in capital letter. Then click, let us edit again by clicking here for us to edit. Then click on done. Then for us to keep all the letter encapsulator, all you have to just click on this, then it will apply to all the letters. Alright, they are now in encapsulator. Then the next thing that we are going to do is to add bold, that is style. Let us bolding it. Then click on this PP. This one is for bolding, this one is to make it italics, and this one is to underline. So we are going to choose this P1 here. Alright, so you can see that our text has changed. And if you want to remove this this effect or this style, all you have to do is just click here and it will remove. Just look at the text. Once I click on it, the thing will change. So it's normal way. The thing has changed. So let us add it back. Alright, so the next thing we are going to just do is just to specify who designed the logo. So let us go to text again and click on edit. And just say design by the graphics done. Okay, and bring it in, reduce it and repeat it. It's okay. So you can see that we have duplicated what we have here. So this one are all encapsulator. So let us add this one to encapsulator by clicking on edit, click on done, then we click on this and click OK. And let us go to color. The color is not pure black color, so let us check for black color. Alright, it's now in black color. So we are done with our design. So this is how you can design a okay. That's still another thing that we have not do. This thing that is here, this TV3, we have not write it. So let us add it. Let us add another text. Click on edit, remove this and click TV3 only. Click on OK and link it here. Oh, sorry. And let us go to this style again, so I will make it bold. Click on this P. Alright, so let us go to the size. Let us reduce the size. It's okay like this. Let us use position. Alright, I think it's okay like this. It's okay like this. So we are done with our design. Sorry. This is why you have to lock everything after doing your work. You have to lock it so that it will not be moving. Alright, it's okay like this. Then just come here for it to lock all this so that it will not be moving. Lock everything. Lock everything. Alright, so we are done with our design. So we have duplicated this. So this is just how you can design a simple logo, a simple TV logo. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please do to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video.